50,000 rows of sales data, and 1 month where antibiotics dropped 42% overnight, steady through January and February. Then March hits. Nobody in the meeting could say why. This is the real salesdaily.csv, not a cleaned up textbook table. A duplicate row, a missing date, a drug name spelled two different ways, all sitting right there in row 1. That's what we're building a pipeline to survive. First real step, get the CSV into something we can actually query. Excel freezes on 50,000 rows and can't be rerun automatically. Pandas loads it in a fraction of a second and gives us a script we can run again tomorrow on new data. Same sale log twice. A date field that's blank. Amox and amoxicillin counted as different drugs. Count March naively and you get 340 units sold. Clean those same rows and it's really 560. I've shipped a chart before with that exact split. Nobody caught it until a stakeholder asked why sales looked lower than they should. Any one of these breaks the answer we're about to give. You can't see a trend in 50,000 individual rows. You need it collapsed to one number per month. Filter for both drug name spellings, amox and amoxicillin, group by month, sum the units. Honestly, Group B gets less credit than joins or charts. But most of the real detective work happens right here. Group every sale by month. Plot it. There's the March cliff again. But now it's not a rumor, it's a number, 42% down. Clean. Same drop in every store or just a few? Split by region, 3 stores account for almost the whole decline. Here's the trick. Pull in a second table, supplier delivery logs, and join it to the sales data by store and date. Those 3 stores had a stockout from their supplier starting the first week of March. A correct finding buried in a Jupyter cell doesn't change anyone's mind. A clean chart does. This is the whole pipeline together: load, clean, group, segment, join and plot, ready to hand to a manager. The manager didn't want antibiotic sales dropped in March. They wanted a reason. Now there's 3 specific stores, 1 supply outage, starting the first week of March. That's a defensible, specific answer, not a guess. Load the data, clean it before you trust it. Group to see the trend, segment to localize it, join outside data to explain it. That's the whole playbook. Same 5 steps, any data set. This problem had a trick. Subscribing doesn't need one. If something feels off or missing, or you want to see something new, tell me in the comments.